Hey guys, what's up going? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudeaz and welcome to Claudeaz Corner. So today I'm in my backyard looking at my garden and thinking of a meal that I can create. So for today's video I will be creating a meal using the eggplant, and I think I'll mix it up with some saltfish, some of the little good old saltfish. Alright, so stay tuned guys. So if you have not yet done so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit that notification bell so that you can be updated when my new videos are released. These eggplants are green and some of them have a yellowish color, but most of the ones that I've planted has this purple color, and these are the 5 that I've picked. So also for my eggplant dish I'm going to be adding some tomatoes, some Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm not going to be using all of these guys, don't worry. These are just all ripe, so I'm just picking them. I'll be getting some scallion, a piece of celery and parsley. I'll just break a piece of the leaves. So I will be grabbing some garlic leaves, and yes, I planted the garlic pegs and this is actually what it looks like, so I'm just grabbing a piece. Alright, so now let's get cooking. The first step is to wash your vegetables. Just ensure that you wash them properly, and you're going to cut your vegetables into small pieces like what I did here. So now you can go ahead and boil your salt fish. If you did not get the chance to soak it overnight, go ahead and boil it twice. In a small frying pan, add some unsalted butter. Add your onions, both white and red. Your chopped scallions, your celery, parsley and dill, give your ingredients a stir. Now it's time to add your eggplant. Add your tomatoes and the remaining scallions that you have and garlic. 7 benefits of the eggplants are: they are a source of vitamins and minerals. Eggplants help with digestion, improve the health of your heart, prevents cancer, improve bone health, prevents anemia, and it increases the brain function. Eggplants is also low in calories and sodium and is a great source of dietary fiber, potassium, and B vitamins. The next time you're admiring a bright eggplant, just think of all the antioxidants and minerals it provides. Plant a tree today. Now it's time to add your saltfish to the mix. Now mix all ingredients together. Now it's time to add your all-purpose seasoning, your fish seasoning, and your black pepper. So this eggplant meal can be eaten with your choice of side dishes. To complement this meal today, I will be adding some fried dumplings and some fried plantains. Doing my research on the eggplant, I found out that various countries have different names that they call it. Some of the following names are garden egg, aubergine, Guinea squash, let's hope I'm pronouncing this one correctly, brinjal. So a brief history on the eggplant. So the origin is said to be from India, and in India it continues to grow wild. This spiny bitter orange or purple fruit has been cultivated throughout India and China for more than 1500 years. As trade routes opened, eggplant was introduced to Europe by the Arabs and transported to Africa by the Persians. So there you have it. I am not sure when the eggplant was brought to Jamaica. I'm trying to find out some more information, but if you guys know when it was introduced to Jamaica, let me know. Drop a comment below. So once more, thank you so much for the love and the support. Thank you for liking, for sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.